Oh, don't think we come to Detroit and only stay in cushy downtown. It's beautiful, yes, but you know what? So are all parts of Detroit. Mack Avenue is one of our favorite spots. We get that bus at the Rosa Parks terminal and we just ride. It's got so much character on this street. But you know what else Mack Avenue has? Mack Avenue has about 1,328 churches on this street alone. Okay, maybe not 1,328, but it's a lot of them, y'all. They got food spots and they also got my favorite spot where we go get that House of Zen. I said it once, I'm gonna say it again. A premium dispensary, Black woman owned. And the sisters always hooking you up with that Detroit diesel. You will find beauty everywhere when you're looking. And Detroit has it all. Culture, great food, a northern city with a whole lot of southern charm. Make it your new favorite destination.